Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for changing out the rag joint in a 79 Bronco and all 70 era Ford trucks. I've included the links to the products and tools I'm using in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm posting weekly videos on my 79 Bronco and my 2015 F-150. All right, let's get into it. If you're experiencing loose steering, any number of extra play within the wheel that you start to notice over time, that is the rag joint. And that is a flexible joint. Over time, the weather and elements just get to it and will break it down. So they need to be replaced every once in a while. And I recently noticed a huge difference in the steering because there were some big temperature drops here in Kansas City. The play was like way more than normal. It was about a half turn over.
Using an impact gun made this job much easier and a lot quicker.
So it's these two. Okay, I think that's loose enough. All you need is a little impact. Okay, I put a little anti-seize on there, and I'm going to try and slide this bracket on the same direction that I took it off so it's lined up. Alright.
It helps to have a second person turn the steering wheel for easier access to set the bolt that locks the rag joint into the steering box.
Perfect, right there. Okay, you can let off. That was my how-to video for filming changing out the rag joint in a 79 Bronco and all 70 era Ford trucks. Don't forget, I've included the links to all the products and tools in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for many more videos on the 79 Bronco and my 2015 F-150. Thanks for watching.